Everybody gets up in the morning to work hard, but there are best in class, and then there's the rest. And I think the DMG MORI platform gives me the best in class service. Rusty Arant, CEO, Northeast Tool Manufacturing. The company started by my father in 1964. Over the years since 1964, we have now evolved into a world-class manufacturing company for companies that produce defense parts and manufacturing, as well as 5-axis, highly complex machining requirements that could cross not only the aerospace sector, but also prototyping, engine building. You find partners that are not so much different than yourself, but you find partners that already are thinking as you do. DMG MORI was the product and was the company, was the structure, was a relationship that met all of those needs for us. They are an efficient company and they are an effective company because they do deliver what we expect. Our first machine was a Evo 60. DMG MORI approached this as a team approach. They wanted to understand exactly what we were expecting from the first machine tool. They helped us along the pathway of education as well as support. We were looking for a platform that gave us versatility, improved our accuracy, our deliverable quality product to our customer, as well as increased our capacity. We have currently seen savings from one kinematic competitor machine to a DMG MORI platform of much as 30%, and we've seen as much as 40% savings in cycle time. Our experiences with the DMG MORI direct sales team has been exceptional. The way they conduct their business is extremely professional, and I would categorize that in the exceptional category. The next step is a step that DMG MORI has been very accommodating, has been very enlisting as a true partner, as they've said, let's continue the discussion to see what else we can do to get closer to the goal. And I would say that in some cases they have advanced me faster than I had intended.